Hey everyone, in this video I will explain how to fix Roblox not launching. So please follow the steps with me and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do to stop the game that is running in the background. So to do that, right click on Windows Start button and open up your task manager. In here you need to look for the Roblox game client, and once you find it, just right click on it and select End Task. It's better to disable any third-party antivirus or Windows security on your computer. And also you need to make sure your Windows is all up to date. So to do that, just go to Windows Update, then check for updates manually, and if there is any updates available, make sure to download and install them. Next solution is to change or check the DNS server in your computer. So to do that, on your keyboard press Windows key and R to open up Run. And type in here ncpa.cpl. And then just click OK. Over here, choose the internet connection that you're working on. So in my case, I'm working on Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to right click on Wi-Fi and select Properties. And next in here, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Then we need to select this option, use the following DNS server address. And for preferred DNS server, type in there 8.8.8.8. And then for the bottom one, which is alternative DNS server, type in there 8.8.4.4. Also make sure to check this option, validate settings upon exit. Just in case you have already selected this option in the past and it still is not working, then you can just choose the top one which says obtain DNS server address automatically and just click OK. And next, close all this, open up your search bar and type in there %local app data % and hit enter. In here, look for Temp folder and open it up. Then find Roblox folder and delete it. You don't need to worry, it's not going to affect your account or games. So after you deleted the Roblox folder, then open up your browser. So in my case, it's Google Chrome. On the top, click on these three dots, then select Settings. On the left, click on Privacy and Security, then select this one, Cookies and Other Site Data. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Over here where it says Search, in the search bar, type Roblox. And anything to do with Roblox, just delete them. Next, we need to optimize Roblox Player. So to do that, right click on Roblox Player on your desktop, then click on Properties. On the top, click on Compatibility tab and make sure to check this option. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. After that, check Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as administrator. Once you're done, click on Apply and OK. Open up your search bar and type in there Windows Defender Firewall and open it up. On the top, click on Allow an app. In here, click on Change Settings. And next, select Allow another app. Then click on Browse. And over here, click on Local Disk C Drive. In my case, my Roblox folder is going to be in Program Files 86. Open up this folder and look for Roblox folder. Open up Roblox folder, click on Versions folder, select Roblox Studio Launcher, and then click on Open. Next, click on Add. Once you add it, then make sure Private and Public both are checked. Follow the same process again. So just click on Allow another app, then click on Browse, select Local Disk C Drive, open up Program Files folder and look for Roblox folder. Open up Roblox folder, Versions folder, Version again, and select Roblox Player Launcher. Then click on Open and Add. Make sure to check Public and Private again, and then click on OK. If you're still having a problem, then you need to uninstall Roblox. So to do that, press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open up Run. Type in there appwiz.cpl and click OK. Then the programs and features will open up. So in here, you need to uninstall the Roblox Player and Roblox Studio. So just select them one by one and click on Uninstall. Once you uninstall it, then try to log into your Roblox account and download it again. So select any game Then click on download and install Roblox. You can also download it direct from Microsoft Store. So to do that, head over to Microsoft Store and try to download the Roblox. As Microsoft Store version is more stable. Once you download it, make sure to restart your computer. After restarting your computer, log into your account and try. Hopefully it should be working fine. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.